Just got a new drone and can't wait to get flying? First, if you're in the UK, you'll need to register with the CAA and get your operator and flyer ID. It's quick, straightforward, and I've put the link in the description. If you're using the RCN3 controller, make sure you download the DJI app directly from their website. I see lots of people getting caught out by this. I've also put this link in the description. If you are using the RC2 controller, you're good to go. The software is already uploaded, although you do need to check for any updates before you set off. Right, let's get out into an open space and get you flying. Find a nice open field with no obstacles and preferably few people. Before your first takeoff, just take a few seconds to check everything is ready. Make sure your home point has been set, you've got a strong GPS signal, at least 10 or 12 satellites. Your battery level is good and you've got enough storage space for recording. Once all of that looks good, you're ready to go. Before you take off, put the drone into cine mode. One thing to watch, if the slider was already sitting in cine or sport, when you switch the controller on, the drone will still default to normal mode. So just move the slider to N first, then back to C for cine. That slows everything down and makes the drone much easier to control whilst you are practicing. The temptation when you first start out is to put it in sport mode and tear around the field. But remember, obstacle avoidance is turned off in sport mode. Learn the controls of your drone first. Make sure the drone is on a clear piece of ground in front of you. I usually use a landing pad. DJI recommend that the drone is facing away from you and is probably best when starting out. Start by simply taking off and holding a steady hover. Use the right stick to practice small left and right movements. Keep everything slow. Now gently push the left stick forward. The drone will rise. Then pull it back towards you and the drone will descend. Push both sticks gently forward to make the drone move forward and rise at the same time. This one is a little tricky to master, but now try combining both sticks in opposite directions to create a simple orbit. Practice this one until you can keep the subject, in this case you, in the center of the frame. Once you're comfortable with these, you're already ahead of most beginners. I have included some other exercises to practice in the PDF. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll have a look at the screen and what all the icons mean and do. In the meantime, download the PDF and practice the exercises to hone up your flying skills.